Yeah, here we have a Jet 15-inch floor drill press. It appears to be used. It's in pretty good condition. However, the spindle in here is bent. When we went to turn it on, you can see it does wobble. Put the drill chuck on there. It's just kind of wobbling away. So we assume that it's the spindle. Plus this is a little tight right here. The manual down feed. It does operate though. It includes a light. It doesn't have any real signs of use like metal shavings on it or anything like that. However, somebody had drilled a couple holes here and some of the wires were loose inside the junction box on the switch, so we had to put new connectors on them. You know, overall it's in good condition. Just that spindle wobbles when you're running it. Let's try it again. There's a little vibration from the cover here too. Also, when you let it go, you don't squeeze it together right. It just kind of hums. Okay, and it comes with a cover for the chuck. Half horsepower, 115 volt.